Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Heaven Panty. If you don't know what this is, the name pretty much gives it away. It is a panty subscription. So they offer several different plans. So you could pick the frequency of how often you get your panties, and also if you get one or two a month or every other month, whatever you decide. So you get one panty for $9.99 or the second or two pairs for $16.99. I don't have a code for Heaven Panty. This is kindly sent to me free for review, not sponsored by the way. But they do offer on their website a free month trial, so I will link them down below. I think their panties are great. You get to customize them. So they even let you compare your sizing with other brands with theirs, and they'll send you measuring tape. So they do a great job making sure they fit for your preference, and then you get to pick like what style, what cuts, what patterns or no patterns that you like. It is very customizable, and I've been loving mine. They're like comfy, sexy type panties. So again, I will link them down below. But before we get started, hey guys, welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I did miss yesterday, and I might miss another day or two. My family's in town, so been spending time with them, and yeah, but I should be back to normal schedule. I just didn't post yesterday, so sorry about that, but I tried to give you guys a heads up in my community tab. But yeah, I think that's everything we need to cover. Let's get this open. Sorry, I had some wine last night. I don't usually drink much anymore these days, and I can tell. I feel fine, but I'm like a little slower. Maybe I just need another coffee. Ooh, so they sent me two pairs of some. Awesome. I love the bags that they send them in. You can get a little sneak peek of the panties inside. I just think that's such a clever idea, and you can repurpose these bags if you'd like to. So it looks like we have one hipster and bikini and one thong. Let's start with the thong right here. So this is a comfy and seamless royal blue. So they have a great loyalty program too, I forgot to mention. Ooh, this looks perfect. I love laser cut thongs for underneath things, and I love blue. Let's get this off. And it tells you all about actually what I was just about to say on the back here. So they have free returns too if you're not happy or satisfied with your panty. And also if you review them on their page or Instagram or post a photo, you get 50% off your next order. And you can update your profile anytime, and they have a referral program. So you share with your friends, they get $20 and you get $20. And then you get $5 store credit if you leave them a review on Facebook or share a photo on Facebook or Instagram, and $2 store credit when you review them on their website. So that's awesome. It used to be percentages off, but now it's credit, $5 just for writing a review. So I think that's super awesome. I wish more companies did that. But here is the thong. So this type is great for when you're wearing tight clothing and you don't want it to show. I love the color. Yay. Let's look at our hipster bikini now. So this is in bean pink, comfy and lacy. Looks like it might be mesh. Yeah, it is. Cool. I don't have any like this. So it is sheer. And it's light pink. They call it bean pink. I would call this baby pink, but you know. And there's some lace. Oh yeah, this seems like it'll be super comfortable. Awesome. I love the panties we get from there. And just for reference, I do get a size large, which I think is typical. Maybe it's sizing up, but it fits me well. I like the fit of them. And so we have this for our comfy, lacy hipster bikini, and then for the thong, this blue, navy blue, royal blue, what do they call it? Laser cut thong. So awesome. I'm definitely happy with them. I definitely will get a lot of use out of them. Even though I have 200 pairs of panties, I still want more. It's how I am with subscription boxes. Give me them all. But you guys have to let me know your thoughts. And again, I will link Heaven Panty down below. And that's it for today, guys. Quick video. Let me know how you guys are doing. I feel like I have to log in and share with you guys. It's been a minute. But I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much. And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So that means I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye guys, I love you.